see and then give some comments. Okay? Okay, I will check Kai Ting's file first. Okay, nice. Okay, let me see. Kai Ting, you're doing Meetup. Okay, looks good. Nice logo. Kai Ting. Very cute.
Thank you.
Okay. How it works is very messy. Why? How it works is very messy. Spin the wheel. Okay. Partners. Kai Ting, don't put partners with, put our partners will do.
Okay.
Our partners.
All right.
And then less space after the our partners, you cannot. Can you push it up or not? Less space. Because
No,
it's like,
we cannot shrink that part.
cannot.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Let me see this. Spin the wheel, right, Kai Ting?
Yeah.
Below that, we can help you. Can you add a button? Spin now, something like that. You need to have a button. I know press that spinner thing, but also have the button just to double confirm for people to press and then the thing will spin, you know.
Oh, okay. But then now we are like just using our website to promote our application. So is it?
Oh, the spin the wheel is inside the app, is it?
The whole thing is actually an application.
Okay, so spin the wheel. Still that we can help you. Download now lah then.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. But actually you can put spin now and then it will ask them to download. Also can, you can trick them in that way.
But then we don't have to mention at the button or at our page there whether they need to download. Like we
actually
them.
you should have two buttons, you know. Your download app should have like Apple and the Android one. If you have that button from the Wix, you can put it in.
Okay.
The Apple and then this one. So means here, means on the top section, right? You say download app now, right?
Yeah.
Don't put download app now. You just put download now. Okay. So basically, that section you should have two buttons. The top, Apple and Android. You try to find in Wix, see they have pre-made or not.
Okay.
Okay. And then
so it's download now and then
no. Let's go to the top. You say meet up, we make the decision for you before you get hungry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then below that there should be two buttons. One is Apple Store download and one is Android download.
Oh, okay.
Then that button you created, the one already.
All right.
Okay. And then the best search engine for restaurants, I think. First of restaurants, sounds very funny.
I know I use some grammar problems.
Best search engine. Oh, okay. Never mind then. Your logo, why so tiny? Cannot make bigger already, this part, the search engine part.
Yeah, that one also restricted. We cannot make it bigger already.
Okay, so strange. Okay. I don't like how it works lah. Very messy. I don't know why. It's like everything is like blown up. Is there a way you can like scale it so the side corners is? I can see what it is lah. Now I cannot. It's like, oh yo, so messy. Picture like I feel very uncomfortable.
I tried it yesterday, but then we couldn't find a way. So probably later we find a new template because it was really late.
Don't. No need find new template. No time already. Don't want. Can you give me these three images? These three images, can you give it to me?
Okay.
Step 1, step 2. I see I can scale for you or not? Then maybe you upload it again, maybe it will look nicer.
No, the problem is even if we scale it down, and then the wordings are still on the photos, so it still look messy.
Yeah, it's okay. You give me, I will try, and then you upload,
Okay.
and then let me see. You give me now. I'll throw it in the chat there.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay. Yeah. Hi guys, for those that just came in, can you all just send me the link to your website from Wix, or either zip the whole template file and throw it on the group chat, and then I will check one by one, okay? Even though it's not complete, it's fine. You just let me have a look so I can give some comments, and then you can tidy it up. So kiting, spin the wheel below that also must have button. Kiting. Okay, remember that. Okay. I think that's about it. Just that step 1, step 2, step 3, there's some issues. Maybe I help you rescale the image. Then spin the wheel, you put the button at the bottom also. I think the same thing, the window, the Apple and the Android one. Let them download, because that's your mission to let them download. How
we didn't miss out any element, right, for the whole website?
Testimonial.
Oh, testimonial. Okay.
If you have time, you can add it in.
All right.
Maybe below partners or above partners. So how it works, does it work or not? If it doesn't work, you don't click and show them how it works. All right. Okay, good morning, guys. For those that just came in, if you're representing your team, please send me your web link, or either zip your web files, and then I will check and I'll give some comments. If it's not done, it's fine. I will just give some comments. Okay. So group 10, where are you? Group 10. Yesterday I tried to go in, I couldn't. There was nobody there in the room, in the breakout room, group 10. Nurul Husna, Imran Arif. Are you there? I don't know whether you are doing it on Wix, on template, or on Google Sites. Later I'll come back to you, okay? If you have done anything, just post it on the group chat, okay? Group 10. Okay, let's do this. So I've checked Kiting's one. Kiting is team 7. Okay. Okay, let's go for team 11. Asrina. Okay, masak apa? Okay, right. Okay, nice. Find recipe. Okay, nice. Okay, Asrina, yes, you found that button, download on App Store. Okay, so Kiting, you can follow them as well. Wow, very nice, your app moving. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, features. Okay. If you have time, the features on top, you can add tiny icons if you have the time, Asrina. Of your title, if you have the time, and you can insert it without causing any issues. You can put some outline icons or fill up icons, since your logo is like fill up like that, the masak apa. Okay. Find recipe with one click. Okay. Hey, you guys didn't use your killer headlines. So funny. Find recipe with one click. I think you better put like find Asrina. I think you better put like find homemade recipes with one click. Something more personal a little bit. Like find recipe, so what? Nothing, no big deal, Like anybody can find recipe from any site, right? You also must put something special to hit the target, Asrina. Okay, I hope you are listening. Okay, I think you need to change your caption. You did a killer caption, right, that day, or didn't? Forgot already.
Yes.
If you did, then you use that. Because this one is a very normal, like find recipe one click. Find what? Find homemade recipes, find like what you have to specify. And if you had a killer caption, the killer headline, you can use that as well. Okay, so features, maybe you can put some filled black icons like your logo. Okay, just make it black, simple. Okay, now what are these 4 things? Why is it repeated here? Benefits. Your benefits, that lady, can you put an Asian person? Maybe you go and search for Asian cooking woman or something. Azrina. Okay. She's not Asian, so I maybe it may not this one. Partners, you didn't put logo yet, it's okay. Then you continue putting your logo. Contact us, okay. Everything okay here. So I would think that's my only comment. This 4 thing is very funny. I don't know why you put here. Maybe you want to show them, is it? Okay. Features is this. Azrina, after the features, I want you to put call to action again here at the bottom of the mobile here, Azrina. You put the download, the Android and the Apple. Okay, your call to action have to be strong. After when people look at features, wow, so cool, then they have to click download already. So you need to like call to action to ask them to do something. So only here can download, tapi when you scroll down already, nothing already. So it's not so good. Okay, why you repeat the benefits? This one is features, right? Oh, this is the benefits. Okay. Partners. So please finish up inserting your partner logo, and then if you can add a testimonial section, if you can, if you have time. If you don't have time, it's fine. Okay. So I repeat, your killer caption, update a little bit, and then your features, you can put your black icons. Go and find 5 black icons. And then here, you put your 2 buttons again, below your handphone, another 2 buttons. And then after that, your benefits, if you can, put a Asian lady cooking. Your partners, fill it up with your logos. And then if you can, add a testimonial section. Okay, Azrina? Okay, all right. So Azrina is done. Okay, let's go to, I'm sorry, it's not that good. Okay, Imran. I'm going to check your site, Imran. Imran from Team 1. Okay, Imran.
Yep.
Okay. Your logo punya green, make sure you put that green on your content. Your green, can or not?
So meaning the website itself.
Your Kampong Go, the green, right? Your Kampong Go, the logo green,
Yes.
you need to put it on your doorstep delivery caption as that green. Now that green is tak sama lah. Can you, wait, I help you color pick, maybe it's faster. So you use that green. The purple like tak match lah. Okay. Why your buildings all roof only? Why? Is there a purpose for the roof? It looks very sad. That
Just want to show the rural kampung.
can you find another nice kampong photo or not? Where you get this from? Kampong photo. Wait. Get a nicer one that looks nice. Feel very happy when you look at it. You go to Google Images and just grab it first lah, because only for presentation, it's not for real website live one. Can you go and search under Google Images Kampong photo? I think most of it looks really nice. If you can use those, because then just looking at the rooftop images look like a town, a small town. Try to find another image if you can. Okay.
All right.
Okay, doorstep delivery even without a postcode. Okay. So your tagline, color code should be, let me see your color code. And then your text is brown. Maybe some brown you need to put on your website also. So you just give it a very strong color presence. I'm gonna type the color code on the chat box, Imran. This one is your color code of green. So please change it for your tagline. And then your image also you change. Let me see, you are using green with no postcode. Can you use like a nicer image like this one? Copy image address. Maybe you can use this kampong photo, I don't know. But you don't like, never mind, you can find another one. I'm just showing you a sample. It's actually not a kampong lah, that one is like a vacation home, but you find a nice one and people feel pleasant, they understand. Or like this, copy image, copy. Okay, Imran, I hope you can see my link. Okay, so change your color of your caption, your top image about us. I don't quite like a template, very huge lah. Very huge a template. Partnership. Okay, so where's your call to action? Imran, your website don't have call to action. Very few. Means after the door-to-door deliveries, you know, after the doorstep delivery, even without a postcode, then after that you can have your white text. Dekat bawah, the white text, I want you to put a button to do something. What you want them to do? Register now or something. Okay. So please put the button, Imran.
Okay.
Okay. And then your about us. About us, you letak our background, right? Remove that our background word can already, because on top already I know it's about you already. No need to put repeated like about us and then somehow our background 2 times, no need. So you remove the our background, the text, our background, you delete it. And then what is this guy doing? He's a delivery guy, is it? Delivery guy. Let me see. I want you to change your photo. Can you change the photo of your delivery guy? The photo is not really convincing. It's just see the helmet very dirty. That's what I focus on. Delivery guy. Let me see first. Hold on, let me help you. Delivery. Imran, do you know how to crop images? Do you know how to do that? Or you don't know? I will give you a photo. Don't know how to crop. Do you know how to crop images? Like make the image smaller?
Yes.
You know. Okay. Hold on, I grab something for you. Hold on. Oops. Hold on, please. Okay. Okay. Hold on, Imran, I'm doing something. Wait. Do something for you first. Okay, hold on. Hi guys, for those who just came in, right, please prepare your website and then send it to me. I'm checking one by one. So those that haven't finished, you just continue doing first. Okay. Hold on, let me get this. Okay. So Imran, I'm gonna send you a photo. You can use that for your replacement of that helmet. Because the helmet doesn't say much. Okay. Um, okay, I sent it to you already, Imran. Okay, so I repeat again, Imran. Okay, so your can you not have purple? Can you have dark brown if you can? Wait, I give you a color code again. See is nice or not, because your color is green and brown, so you have to keep that consistent. Suddenly you got one huge purple there, it's like, or maybe you can make it green. So this is your brown color code. I just type it on your chat box first. This is brown. Okay. All right. So let's talk from the top again, Imran. So your purple, if you can change it to green, I already gave you the color code, or either you change it to dark brown, I already gave you the color code. Okay, Imran. And the photo on the rooftop thingy, I already gave you a photo sample. If you want, you can use it. If not, you find another kampung image. Okay. Now next up, doorstep delivery even without a postcode. That text, I want you to put the color green, the color code from the one I gave you from your logo. And then after door-to-door delivery text, there should be a call to action button. Okay, so what do you want them to do? Sign up now, or proceed, or learn more details. There has to be a button after that. Okay. Now that helmet guy, remove it and replace it with mine. Okay, see if it fits. See if everything is okay. Okay, and then remove the word our background. Remove it. Okay, and then after our services, the last word of the map postal deliveries, maybe you should put a button there, or either below home delivery and self pickup, you should put a call to action button below that if you can. Okay. I think that there needs to be more explanation at home delivery. Don't just put expert service like can you just give like maybe a 1 sentence line to fill it up, and then there's a button below it, okay? How does Kampung Go work? Okay. How does Kampung Go work? Actually, if you have the time, you should put like step 1, step 2, step 3. Like put an icon or a number or something to show. Now you just like paragraphing, very boring, okay? Meet the team is okay. Contact is okay. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Imran, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. All right, so I'll go to the next group already.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Imran. Okay, let's go to the next group. Sorry guys, hold on. Team 3. I think team 11, hold on. Team 11 I've done. Okay, team 1. Okay, team 3, I'm looking at team 3 right now. Zenhang Chomp, okay, Chomp. Right, what's this? How healthy you become. Okay, looks nice. The more you crunch, the healthier you become. Okay. Zenhang. Okay, Zenhang. Can I ask you a question? Can you unmute lah? Zenhang. Okay. Why the menu is gray color? The login and the add to cart thingy. Can it be brown?
Oh, okay. Oops. All right.
Let's make it consistent, because that's the first brand presence already. Then it's suddenly, why got grayish thing? Okay,
Right.
shop now. Sorry, your shop now, the text can be dark brown or black or not? The shop now cannot see the contrast.
Okay. Okay.
People cannot see the one. Your button color is okay, just the text color. Okay, so
Right.
let's talk about the top. I don't want any gray. You decide you want to use a little bit of yellowish orange or dark brown is okay. I don't want the gray. And then your shop now text, please make it dark brown or black. New arrival on sale. Okay. Okay. New arrival on sale. New arrival. Should there be a button below the price, like buy now or something? Can
You click the photo.
have to click the photo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that's it in the homepage.
Then yeah, that's it for homepage. Then the rest
Haven't done
the
yet
other pages. Got already.
No. Homepage must be longer a little bit. You must add your partners, some testimonials or something. Like too blank already. Like maybe your partner, the brands. No, not partner. Our brands, and then put some logo of organic stuff. Cannot. Make it more.
So it cannot be on the next page.
Homepage better, because people see homepage first, Then they see like that, then they go off already. You are not convincing enough for people to click further.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think you need to put more things if you can. So after those products, and then you should have a title for all of these 4 products, new arrival on sale. Maybe you just put that on top of label it like featured products or something. You need to tell people what this is, or you put that product categories or featured products or top sellers. You have to label it in a way, what is this? Or our products. There should be a title for that slider of the image of your products. And then below it, maybe put our brands, put some logos, and then maybe after that follow up with maybe testimonials. Okay. So homepage has to be convincing, because maybe you don't have time to actually already proceed with other stuff already. Our brand should be put on the homepage already enough. No need to put for the other pages.
Right. All right.
Okay. So you make your homepage longer a little bit. Make it more convincing for people. Okay.
My other teammate, Amirul Shakir.
Amirul Shakir, can you tell Rina that? She's the one who handled the...
I am here.
Oh, okay. Rina, can you add Amirul?
I'll just share my slides.
Okay.
All right.
Hi, is Amirul in?
Yes. yes,
Yeah,
yes.
hello?
Okay, good.
Okay. So I'll be presenting.
People can subscribe with you when you have new products or new sale, then you can alert them. You can put that function there also if you want. If the template comes with it, you can find the newsletter sign up form. Okay,
All right.
at the
Okay.
bottom. All right. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so let's go to Team 2, EduSmart. Team 2, EduSmart, Yuan Zuan. Okay, hold on. Let me open the file first. Oh, you use the DigiLab template. Okay. Oh, okay. Your EduSmart logo is light gray and your background is dark gray. Cannot see. Can you change the logo or something? Who is this? Yuan Zuan. Yuan Zuan, can you unmute your speaker?
Okay.
The logo, how? The logo? Can you make it to white? I gave you make it into white or something. Cannot see. The fastest way is to change the logo color only.
Sure.
I gave you a link, right, to change logo color one, the icon color one. You can use that application. Maybe change it to whole thing white or what. Now cannot see. You either change the background, or you change, if you change the background, you someone have to change the text color. You have to do two things.
Okay, I will use Photoshop.
Okay, use Photoshop. Oh, pandai. Okay. I don't think you need a testimony page. Can you remove testimony the link? Don't want. Too many things already. Remove testimony.
Okay.
Home benefits process partners contact. Okay. You know Photoshop? Yuan Zuan?
A little bit.
Okay. A little bit. If you can, your images, the top part should be white. You know how to do it? Like,
Which top part?
you see the images rotating or not? It's very busy and it's like causing some problems.
Which one?
Viewing your menu. BG1, BG3, your image.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's too busy lah. Wait. Let me see. Oh, you use stock images. Got the watermark. Why you never use the free ones? Let me see first. Hold on for a bit. Let me check the image first. It's very busy right now. Hold on. Let me save something first. Okay, I edited it for you already. So, okay, you remove the testimony and then you, hold on, I edit for you. Can I know why you choose so busy images? Very busy your images. Like so many colors, so many things going on. Like not one same concept like that. BG2, BG_2. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna send you 3 images. You replace that image. Yuan Xuan. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna send you the images. Yuan Xuan, please see your chat box and take these photos and replace the ones that you have because I resize it for you. It's blocking the text.
Okay, sure.
Okay, Hey, EduSmart. Oh, your EduSmart. Wait. EduSmart. Okay. First, hold on, let me do this one first. Okay, I'm gonna send you your logo file. I edited for you. Logo.png. Let me see first. Okay, looks good. I'm going to send you your logo file. You replace the image as well. So here you go. Okay, this is your logo file. replace it. Please remove the testimony. It's too long. You need to move the links further in a faster way.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, why purple? Can you put light yellow? Light yellow cannot see. Why purple? Can you change another color? So many color your website. I don't know what to see also. So be the next top student. Sign up with us today. Sign up with us today. Okay, so it gives some encouragement. People want to. I sent it to Yuan Zuan already on the chat. I typed it out for him. Happy students. Okay.
That's the testimony.
you put our happy students. Our happy students. Okay. Just add the word
Didn't you
our.
say that? Didn't you say we have to delete it?
Huh?
The testimony.
Who said? I said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Can we not remove it?
Don't delete it. I didn't say delete it.
You say it just now.
I said just now, remove testimony.
Yeah.
At the
You
start.
say too much thing. You say too much stuff.
Okay. Hey, did I say that? Never mind. Oh, yeah. I said too much stuff. Actually, yeah, it's true. Too much stuff. The colors somehow not consistent. I see they very blur. Never mind. You leave it there, our testimonials. You just put there our happy students.
Okay.
Add the our. I don't like the orange. The orange don't want. You change it to either
Okay.
dark gray or your
Yellow.
yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, partners, meet our cooperating partners. Partners, no need cooperating. Remove the cooperating word. Just meet our partners can already. Remove the cooperating.
Okay. The happy students change to?
Our happy
Our happy student.
Our happy students. Okay.
Cooperating, take away. The word cooperating. No.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Contact us. Okay, you know contact us, right? On top of contact us, you put that contact in the orange text, right? Can you replace it with get in touch with us? Change the text. You just are repeating like contact us to one. So the orange contact word, remove it and replace it with get in touch with us. Okay? Get in touch with us. Get in touch with us. Okay, put your details. Can you please remove this template is made with color lip, blah, blah, blah. Remove that.
Okay.
Remove that and put your EduSmart. Just put EduSmart. Replace that with EduSmart.
Okay.
Okay, so let's repeat one more time before I go. Remove the test. Let's go up again. Remove the testimony. I don't want that one. Okay. And then replace all my images and my logo file I gave you. And then all the bright orange, I want you to change it to your EduSmart's yellow color code, which I already given you. Okay. And all the purple, if you can, make it dark gray or either your yellow color. Okay. But I think dark gray is more suitable. Okay. Because it's darker, then your text can be red. And then all your bright orange icon, either change it to your yellow logo icon color or either change it to white. I gave you that website before, right, to change colors one for the icons yesterday. Yeah, you can use that and then just dump it in and then change. Okay. So easiest one, I think, should be just white color icon if you want the fastest way. Okay. And then rewarding, the text is not already right. So maybe get rewarded, change it to. Okay. And then 3 simple steps. Have the 3 images that just now you said you already have, and below that put like step 1, step 2, step 3, okay? Give some explanation below the image, okay? And then register now. I already gave Yuan Zuan the text for register now. It's be the next student, sign up with us today, okay? And that 2 ladies I don't want, maybe a group photo of students sitting down with their computer or something, okay? And then happy students become our happy students. And then remove cooperating, remove it. Okay. And then the contact, the orange text contact, you put there, get in touch with us, okay? And then the footer, remove the color lid and then just put EduSmart. Okay, so let's make it all consistent and nice. So the thing I want to say is you need to be consistent about your style. So look at the header right now. It's like images, like graphic, right? Like it's a graphic work, right? And then after when you scroll down, experience tour, latest modules, again got graphic, right? So your 3 simple steps have to be graphic also if you can. Let's make it all consistent.
Instead of icon, you mean for the
Icon can. Icon or graphic only, cannot have photo based already. Because everything now is graphic, so you need to be consistent. Everything is graphic looking. Okay, so you cannot like suddenly got photo or what. But of course, testimonial have photo is fine now. Okay, but the rest, your partners, actually your partners, you can just put the logo only lah. Okay, but anyway, you already do this, then it's okay. But other than that, let's keep it consistent. Graphic, icons, that's it. Don't want to have photo base. The 2 ladies there sitting down, maybe just now I said the people in a group, you cannot use already the photo. You have to go and find a graphic that has people sitting down or some other graphic to represent. Okay, all right, can Yuan Zuan, okay
Okay.
Okay, okay.
He's only doing the whole website thing, so it's like very heavy on him.
Oh, okay. All right, okay, so try your best. Okay, I will go to the next group. Thank you. Thanks,
By the
guys.
way, are you going to read the presentations page? I have like 2 questions.
Okay.
I already sent it to you privately in the chat.
Okay, wait, I didn't see it. I can only advise you in terms of the design part. I cannot advise you like the requirements because I don't know what Hanif have mentioned to you.
Oh.
So yeah, you need to check with Hanif or Startup Malaysia team to ask them, maybe Nadira or somebody to guide you through.
Okay, I just wanted to ask for the first page you need, like the design, like should I put this or should I put that? One is just the quote and the other thing is the killer headline. Do you think we need to put the killer headline at the first page?
Yeah, actually the first page you should put like dark background. You get the logo from Yuan Zuan, I already gave him.
Okay.
The logo text is white color one, so you can put like a dark background because dark background is like boof, like people will stop and see first. Then
or like the thing stand out, right?
The first slide must stand out first. Then people pay attention. Then you consistently. Then if you
But
can write alternately each slide maybe background yellow, background white, background black like that. So that's like, you know, I don't get so bored like everything white like that. If you can,
we have a lot of colorful like wording or either the highlight, the lining of the outline of the icons and everything. So we wanted everything to be white though.
Okay.
But does it look very boring?
Yeah, boring. If you
Oh,
can,
okay.
certain slides are like dark color. So I think the first slide you make it like what I say, either black or dark color. I can give you privately the logo that I gave Yuan Zuan. I can give it to you. That logo is white text one, so you can put it on the dark background.
Hi Jasmine,
Okay.
sorry to interrupt, but we've been getting
sorry.
requests on putting them into breakout rooms. So maybe you can jump from breakout room to insert them on their website.
Okay, can.
Okay. So
Okay.
everyone, I will open the breakout rooms now, so you can work
Okay.
on your project. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Charmaine. So I think your first slide, if you're listening, you can listen still. Just put the logo, your caption. I think SparkX program, I think no need lah, that one. Just put presentation.
The presentation page now.
That one. Then the right hand side thingy, I think no need lah. Because you are representing you say, okay, we are Nobody's going to read all the fine print of what you do. No need.
Okay, so no need to introduce our group mate like that lah.
No, you can speak it out. No need to show it on the slide. Too many things. You want to like wow, you know, like stop and pause. Wow, EduSmart, cool. You know, that brand presence you build. Too many things and people don't, what am I supposed to see? I don't know what. Okay, so I think the right hand side, those things, say it verbally. Okay, say hi. I'm who and who. My teammates are who and who, and then we are actually from EduSmart. We do this. Then okay, we're gonna start our presentation now, and then something like that.
The
So
the
this-
right side is the killer headline though. The one
Which one?
on top. The one on top with a
have
lot of words.
more time for yourself and your friends. No need, no need, no need. If you want that tagline, you put below your EduSmart logo. That's it. Just one liner can already. The judges won't have time to read all.
Okay, then I had a quote there. The most
Nelson
powerful.
Mandela one. I
You
think
think
Nelson Mandela you can remove lah. You just put your caption. Have more time for yourself and your friends, or something like that.
Okay.
And no, have more time for yourself and your friends. Study anytime, anywhere. These two only. The rest one now you can study blah blah blah. Don't want.
Okay.
Zero gravity team don't want. I think SparkX program no need lah. You take it off. And then you just put the presentation picture.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
And then make the background dark so that it's like woof like that. Okay.
If only the first page dark can, then the others.
Can. Yeah, can. Let me see the next one. Your black boxes, can it be bigger? Like too crammed up the text at the corner. Follow my design guideline if you can. So it looks more clean.
I don't know how to create the margin thing on top. That's the thing.
I think you trick the PowerPoint by drawing a black box below it so that it looks like got more space. You know what I'm saying?
Draw black box.
Yeah. Wait. I think you're going to go to your room soon. Suddenly we will get disconnected. So I'll just let you know first. Wait.
Yeah, guys. So I will put you in team 2. So Jasmine, you can meet her at team 2. Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's go here. Okay.
Hi, is Imran Arif here? Imran Arif?
Run through with you the search engine optimization slides that I didn't share with you all yesterday. Okay, so whatever templates you're doing, you all can just do it while listening. Okay, all right, just tidy up your slides while you're listening. Not slides, the website. Okay, let me share my slide. Okay, hold on now. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's go and okay, guys, I will start this search engine optimization class. It's just a short briefing, okay? All right. Okay, please look at my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my slide right now. Okay, so remember after you develop your website, everything is done, you may need to do some search engine optimization for your site. Okay, so websites does not appear randomly on Google search one. It doesn't one. It takes time, sometimes a week, sometimes 2, sometimes 3 months, sometimes 6 months. So when you hire a search engine expert to help you rank your website, sometimes you may see results in 6 months and then 1 year. Okay, so it takes a very long time to see results. So if a search engine agent were to come to you and say, I guarantee to show you results in a week, it's not true, okay? So you have to be careful of all of these scams. So maybe after the contract is over, your whole site may be blocked by Google, okay? So you have to be very careful when you hire a search engine person to do your website, okay? And what is the pricing of hiring a search engine expert to do? It's probably 3,500 to 10,000 ringgit. 10,000 ringgit onwards is usually per year. So every month they will do for you write-ups, they will help you boost your ranking, they will push your website up, and then they will also ask you to fix things on your website. So certain things, if it is wrong in terms of coding, they will ask you and say, can you please change your title tag, your alternate tag, your description, things like that. They will guide you through, they will give you the keywords, they will plan all the keywords for you, okay? And how search engine agents charge is by how countries. So if you're targeting Asia only, it's cheaper. If you're targeting Asia, US, and then other specific countries in Europe or things like that, is the fee is higher. Okay, so they charge by that. What is the, whether it's worldwide or just Asia market, and also they charge by keywords. How many keywords you want to rank? So example, if for us you want to rank as logo design on the first page, is very difficult because already tons and tons of people are already using that keyword already. So in order to push us up, right, it takes a long time. Okay, so that one you have to bear in mind and understand that. Okay, when one day you create a website, then you understand when you are hiring somebody to help you out. Okay, now what does SEO mean? SEO is called search engine optimization. Basically, in short, is visibility. So it allows your website to be seen by a lot of people, a lot of visitors, and your visitors become your conversions, become your paid customers, okay? So 93% of your customers won't go further than the first page of Google, okay? So usually people just stay on the first page, they browse, they click, they get their thing, they are done, okay? And sometimes, yes, you do skip as well. So actually, you know which page is the worst? Page 2. They say page 2 is like a graveyard. Basically, nobody goes there. People just skip one. Naturally, that's a human behavior. Okay, so bear in mind, if you're on page 2, it's actually not a very good thing because it's like a graveyard like that. It's practically dead. That is the statistics are based on how they see people clicking. Okay, so first page is super important. Now, how to get to first page? Is either you are very famous, like I said previously. Did I say before? If you are very famous, you have a lot of publications like backing you up. CNN, ABC, Astro, all of these publications are backing you up with articles, link back and forth to you. Then your ranking, it will go up naturally. Now, obviously, when you're starting out, you're not famous, you're nobody. So your ranking, obviously, at the end of the page, okay? So how do you get on the first page? The easiest, fastest way is Google Ads, which means you need to pay. Okay, so these days, Google Ads are quite expensive. Sometimes like you have to spend 3,000 ringgit a month to pay for ads. If you pay very little, right, it's like very hard to be visible one on the homepage, okay? So that is the second one. The third one is doing SEO, but SEO takes time. SEO takes time, but it's actually kind of considered free in a sense that it's in the long run. Google Ads is no, you pay, you get, you pay, you get, okay? And like I said, Google Ads also comes in the terms of conversions. If 1,000 visitors come in, you are so happy, right? You pay Google Ads, so many people come in, but how many people will buy? Maybe 10 or 20 only, all right? So take note about visibility on your website. So these are the 3 criteria, okay? All right, let's go to the next step. So search engine optimization, SEO, covers all of these things on the screen right now. As you see, it takes a lot of hard work. It's not like just sitting down there waiting for customers to come in. So you need to do all of these things. So the first thing is keyword research. So remember the keyword, the word tracker thingy I gave you, you can use that as a keyword research as well, or you can go to Google and type keyword research tools. All the tools will come out, it's free. Okay, so if you're doing logo design or nasi lemak or food delivery, your keyword is that. So you type food delivery, then you see the all the keywords will appear. So Alternately, all different keywords will appear. You choose the ones that are not too many and not too few, roughly in the middle range, and use those keywords to form your content on the pages. Okay, so content is super important. I'm not asking you to write a long thesis, it's not. It's about 250 words is good enough already. So that amount of words, Google will extract all the keywords and tell, oh, this guy is actually doing food delivery. Okay, good. You know, so it's a legit website. Okay, so under food delivery, maybe your ranking go up a bit, one step up. Okay, so keyword research is very important because it will affect your content, your title description. Remember, you put a title in your description, your alternate text, all of those things is relevant to the keyword. So it will affect your search engine. Okay, so number one. Now, number two is competitor analysis. So whoever is doing the same thing as you can go to the site. If you can, you go to neilpatel.com. I would suggest, if you have the time, learn about search engine, because at the end of the day, you build a website, it may not be as important anymore if your site is like hidden from everybody. Okay, so you can go to neilpatel.com and learn from him. He's quite good. He just speaks like regular English, no heavy jargons that you need to understand. Me and you, we can understand what he says. Okay, learn from him. He teaches SEO, and he has a website with all the tools available. Okay, so you can check what your competitor does. Yeah, you can check on the website for free what your competitor does. Where is he linking his website to? Maybe to a blogger, some famous blogger, you know, and then he's buying advertisements from this group. You can see all of those links from his site going out and in. So you can follow him back because you're doing a similar thing. Yeah. So maybe you can go and ask this blogger to write about you as well. You can pay them and ask to write about you. Okay. So these are how you compete with your competitor. See what they do and then make it better. Okay. Now the next thing is off-page SEO. So what is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO means is link building, which means there's a lot of articles and websites or publications talking about you. So it's linked back to your website. Okay, so it's like Fashion Ballet, right? They have this because Vivi is building her own brand presence. So when she has a strong brand presence, she will have published on this article, this magazine, all of these publications. It links back to her company, even in YouTube channels and stuff like that. All this comes back to her. So her ranking goes very high up without even doing so much in terms of search engine optimization. Okay, so like I said, if you are popular, you're famous, you have a lot of people talking about you, it's very easy for you to go on the top page. So for us, back in the day, we had a publication on Wall Street Journal in the US, and overnight itself, our ranking went up to the first page of Google. Okay, so just overnight, it will just go up because of that one link from Wall Street Journal. That's how simple it is, because Google will track and say that, oh, you guys are very legit, and all these big horses, these big companies are actually linking back to you, which means you are legit, you are somebody good, great, you are doing a good job, they put you up. So that is how people, how it ranks up. So unfortunately, if you are starting up, obviously you're not famous, you don't have that kind of publication and all of those news. It's okay, you can go for off-page optimization, which means the link building, customization of your link building, which means you go to your blogger and ask them to write about you, or either you write about yourself, create a blog and write and link back and forth, okay, in terms of articles. So you can link back and forth and it can actually boost your ranking, okay, but make sure the linking is relevant to your company information and product and services. Okay, don't simply go to a porn site and then link back and forth. Okay, it's nothing to do with you. So link it consistently in your industry itself. Okay, so you can also publish things on forums, give feedbacks, comment. It's also very important you go to a forum and comment about your things. So like for us logo services, we go to forums and we comment and give advice and then put our link there, and then they will come back, link back and forth. Okay, so off-page linking building, it takes a lot of work. You need copywriting skills as well. Okay, so usually people hire an SEO person to do this, to write articles, to blast it out with all the links from all other websites back and forth, and then it will come in. So this is a trend right now. I'm not saying this trend will last forever because Google always change their algorithm, they change their rules and regulations for SEO. So in time, maybe they will take off this and then they will change into something else, because maybe they will find it's not working. People are lying, they're writing fake articles about themselves and then, you know, linking back and forth. So sometimes they may try to terminate this, okay? But for now, it's working, okay? So for now, all SEO people are doing this. So how do you know the latest SEO stuff? You can go to SEO on Google search engine optimization. Then they will show you what's happening, what are the rules right now, you know, what to do, okay? All right. Next is obviously you have to submit your site on search engine after you finish building your whole entire website. Double check everything is okay. Put it up on your host and then go to Google, Yahoo, all of these search engines and then submit it. So how to submit? You just go to google.com, you put there, submit website to search engine. They will list out all the places for you to submit. Okay, so you just click, type your URL, submit, type URL, submit. So you need to wait for weeks. Sometimes days, if you're lucky, then weeks. Then you can see your website on the Google search already. All right. Now, the green one, site structure, you need to have a proper site map on your website to show the links, where it links to or on which link, okay? So this sitemap structure is usually done by the web programmers, okay? There's a sitemap file that they have to do properly for the search engine to see where these pages link to. So if you're only just one page, then you don't need to, okay? But if you have a lot of pages, then you need to do a proper sitemap, because Google will see if your pages are legit, you're linking it properly, and there's no error, broken links. Google does not like broken links. What does broken links mean? Means if you click on a button, it doesn't go anywhere. That's called a broken link. So if you have a lot of broken links on your website, it's a no-no. They will drop you down in terms of ranking, okay? Now, so today I will guide you through on how to do only one section of this SEO, which is on page SEO. So on page SEO basically is the things that you need to do on your HTML file. You can do it, okay? Like that day I taught you on the template, it's that easy. Just select, change the words, type the words, okay? So on page SEO is to optimize your web pages, your contents, and your title, okay? All right, let's move forward. So Google crawls your site for keywords, right? They will scan for the keywords. That's why I say it's very important to use your word tracker to go and get the keywords and include that in your content and your caption, your headline, all of those things you need to include. And all you need to do is just use like a main keyword once in the first 100 words. Okay, first 100 words must have your keyword. If the first sentence have a keyword, even better. Okay, so try to put like, for us, we're doing logo, so we will, but the first sentence already got logo already. So logo design, professional logo services, all is it there. Okay, so if you're selling food delivery, you need to keep repeating. Okay, food delivery, affordable, food truck or whatever, you know, all of those keywords you need to include it in. Okay, now use your target keyword terms in the first 100 words. Again, use it on the first 100 words, okay, because Google weighs them accordingly from the top to the bottom. Okay, so 5 to 10 times you can repeat it, okay, mention it over and over. So Google knows that, oh, you guys are doing logos, okay, so I will put you under the logo category, okay, I won't put you under the spam category. So that's how they understand, the robots understand that what you are really doing, okay. Okay, next up is your URL. Every time when you create an additional page like about.html, contact.html, keep it short and sweet and make sure it reference to your pages as well. Don't name it page1.html, page2.html, don't do that. Okay, and all small letters, no capital letters, no funny characters. Keep it simple. So basically like this one, backlinko.com and then hub and then SEO. So basically it's a very simple link, okay? So keep your links short, okay? All right, so these are some things that you need to know. Do not duplicate your content throughout the website. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, cannot. Google will spam you out, be careful. Okay, once Google blocks you, you very susah, you can come up with it. You need to buy another new domain name, create your whole brand again, okay? So do not duplicate and link your keywords in between your website. So example, you're talking about, oh, our logo design services are pretty cool, you know, blah, blah, blah. So this logo design services, I should link it to my logo design service page or my order page. So link it back and forth to show Google that you are referencing this keyword to a page that is suitable to your keyword. So it's back and forth linking. It's linking in between your site is also helping your ranking, okay? and update your content regularly or monthly or weekly if you can. So usually you see corporate sites are pretty much dead one. Once they put it up there, they don't update already. So that's why their ranking is not so good. Okay, but bloggers ranking is very high. You notice or not, bloggers page ranking is very high. It's because every week they will blog something new. So that's why the ranking goes up. Okay, and each page must have at least 250 words to 500 words. Okay, yes, images are important, but also content. Okay, not too much, but not too few as well. Okay, so 100 words is not enough. Okay, throughout this whole one page should be at least 250 to 500 words. Okay. All right, so header, remember I told you about H1, you created your H1. So each page must have H1 because Google will extract H1 keywords and then tell the search engine that, oh, you guys are doing what, if whether your website is legit or not, okay? And only use one H1 per page. So homepage got one H1, about us page one H1, and consistently, okay? Don't have like 3 H1 in one page, cannot, all right? And H1 tag must have about 7 words. So your killer headline, the 7 words can be your H1 already, okay? All right, page title and meta description, remember you put it in your template yesterday. Okay, so this one is super important as well. Google will extract it. Okay, so here are the things that you need to do. I think yesterday I already told you what to do already. So maximum title is 60 characters, 1 to 2 keywords inside, and your divider line, and then your company name. So can you see here the whole skater? This is what will appear on your Google search. That's why your title and description is super important, okay? So here is manage WordPress web hosting, fast and secure. So what is their keyword? Web hosting and WordPress. Okay, fast and secure also is partly a little bit keyword. Okay, and then this is your company. Okay, so this is the format that you should put. Okay, and titles, write unique titles for each page. So each page should be different. So maybe homepage is manage your WordPress, and then about us is different. Okay, all about our hosting services, and then HostGator. Okay, so every page is different. And then your page description will be as follows here. Can you see here the gray one on Google? Okay, so maximum is 160 characters, 2 to 3 keywords. And the last sentence must be a call to action. Purchase from us, buy now, register now, sign up now, okay? And all of these have to be unique and don't duplicate it if you can. Every page unique. I know it's very tough if you have like 100 pages, but this is what Google wants lah. Okay, so maximum you can only duplicate 3 times. If it's no choice, you got no idea already, it's 3 times. But other than that, it has to be different, okay? All right, alternate tag. Remember I told you about alternate tag. So every image have that ALT equals to what? So this alternate tag is actually for Google and also helps the blind. Okay, so blind, they have the screen readers, right? They actually, the screen readers will read the alternate tag to tell the blind that, oh, what they're looking at right now. Okay, so in order to help them, you need to also add in your alternate tag. Now, all of these things are actually additional, it's under SEO. So if you're building a website for a customer, if they never pay for additional service for SEO, then you will just leave it blank. Because imagine if the website has like 1,000 images, you have to find the keyword for them and also type it out and explain in terms of proper grammar what it is. Okay, so that's an additional service you can charge for your customers if you're doing this. Okay, now let's see what is a good alternate tag. So the first one is a pancake, right? As you can see here. So this person, they just put pancakes. It's okay, it's good, sufficient, but it's even better if you can describe your image. So stack of blueberry pancakes with powdered sugar. Okay, so there's a lot of keywords here, you know. The keywords is blueberry, is pancakes, and also sugar. So you already have 3 keywords already. But if you just put pancakes, right, it's pretty much just pancakes. So 1 keyword. So if you can try to describe your image. Man on a computer viewing products, you can say that. Okay, or man on a computer with a blank screen, you know, you can do that. Okay, so have more descriptive words and keywords in your alternate tag. And this one is not recommended. Don't just like throw all the keywords in pancake, pancakes, pancake, hotcakes, breakfast. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, so if you can do this, if you really don't have the time, then maybe you can do this. Okay, but this one is the best. Okay, all right. let's move on. So now Google Analytics. So after your site is up and running, it's already uploaded to the hosting server, you can start putting in your Google Analytics script. So go and register a Google Analytics account with your Gmail account. It's very simple. Okay, it helps you track the behavior of the visitors. So your visitors using what kind of browser, what time they come to your website, where they come from. Maybe they come from a blogger. Yes, and then how old they are. I mean, I think the age. I think no age. Whether they are female or male, what country, when they come, how consistent, how long they stay on your website. All of those information are on Google Analytics. So it's very useful for you in terms of business. Then you may think, okay, example, you're selling a lingerie, like bra and panties for ladies, right? But you can see your gender. A lot of males come in to your website. Okay, so you already feel that you're targeting the wrong people. Hey, am I targeting the right person or not? I want to target female, but the male come in. So should I change my products, or should I actually focus more on this male population? Which means maybe I should do bundles of panties and bras in a package to sell for Valentine's Day, because that will be a hot seller because so many men coming to my site. Okay, or is it because the men coming to the site because there are 6 sexy lingerie models on my site? So you can use the analytics to see and then to counter it and to see what you can do with your website, enhance it a little bit or change your direction, things like that. So Google Analytics is super important, okay? Now, it shows you all of these things, how many people visit your website today, and then whether you need a mobile-friendly website, because they will show you the statistics like 100 people view on mobile and only 20 people view on desktop. So you know, oh my God, mobile, make sure that's my layout is all properly done so that people can view on mobile, okay? And how much traffic you get per day, what countries, you know, whether you can improve your website speed. Is it too slow that people bounce? The bounce rate is very high. Bounce rate means people jump off from your website very fast. They just come in and then poof, they go off. So that's called bounce rate. It's actually not very good. Okay, the lower the better lah. Okay, all right. So this is how Google Analytics looks like. Okay, it shows you all of these things like, oh, suddenly in February is very high. A lot of people come in. Okay, so why? You need to track why. Okay, is it because you were published in an article or you put up Google Ads? That's why it's so high. Okay, and then it shows here returning customers, how many and how many are new. Okay, that's the percentage they will show. And how many page views, your bounce rate, is it very high? How many sessions? Oh, and then here there's even more, you see now. Geographically, demographics, the interest, the behavior, the technology, what kind of browser, all these things they will show. So it's very detailed and it's free. Okay, you don't need to pay for this, so it's very good. So please install this. So how do you install, right? Okay, so these are the things they show. You see, sessions by browser, they will show you a lot of people using Google Chrome. So if a lot of people using Google Chrome, make sure your website looks good on Google Chrome. Okay, so sessions is like how long the person is in that place, okay, going through your website, okay? So all of these statistics you can run through and then you learn and judge, and then you can counter the issue with your target market, okay? Maybe you're targeting the wrong people. Why all of these people coming from India to come to see my website? I'm actually selling Chinese food, you know? So are you targeting the right people or not? Then you have to change your strategy a little bit. Why are these people coming in which I don't need? Okay, I need like people from China to buy my ingredients because I'm selling herbs, you know, all of these kind of Chinese herbs. Why people from India are coming in, you know, and then they are not even buying? Why? So you need to see the statistics to figure out and then to fix your website. Okay, maybe the layout or things is not right. Okay, all right. So let's go. Okay, so this is how you go and register for your analytics. So obviously you need a URL. So the site has to go live first. Make sure live and everything, then you can put your script in. Okay, so it has to be live first. If it's offline, you cannot. Okay, so you need a domain name and a hosting. Only you can do this Google Analytics. Okay, so you put in your URL, your business, all your information is pretty straightforward. And then they will give you a code. Can you see here? Okay, so all you need to do is copy paste this code. Okay, you see here? In the head area, you know the head, right? I taught you guys, open HTML and then there's a head. You look up, just copy paste and put it there. After you put it in, if there's an error, then you know you put it wrong lah. So you have to double check, make sure you put it inside the head, okay? And then another one is to put it after the opening body tag. You copy paste and then you put it in. So obviously this code you cannot copy. This one is specifically for that website itself. So everybody has a different code, right? Okay, it doesn't mean you can share with your friend the same code. Your account is your code, okay? So you have to create, sign up and then get your code and then put it in. Okay, so maybe about 1 week later, then you can log in into your Google Analytics and then you can see already, wow, I can see how many people come in, who are the people that come in. If 0 people come in, then you know there's no traffic. It means your site is already not online yet. You are needing to do more stuff, okay? Okay, so basically if you have any questions, contact me on my email, okay, in future. And I do offer internship programs if you want, you're interested, 3 to 6 months, and I pay for interns. Okay, if you want to know what are the requirements, you can drop me an email, I can send it to you. So internship, you get to learn more and practice more in terms of what to do for real customers, how to work and stuff like that, okay? So I'm open for that. If you are interested, you can just contact me, okay? So right now, you all can go back into your groups. I think Irina will help you go back into your groups, or maybe the next session will be up soon. Okay, so you can continue working on your slides, fixing it, and then good luck to you guys for your presentation later. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed your session with me yesterday and today. All right, see you guys. Bye. Thanks, guys.